Yeah, we share. Hello, everybody. How na day, guys? Eno zina kere na yi. How na ije me? I no book as I will take. Make I quick share. Oh, scheiße. I don't forget. Me live video, my people. What they didn't be. Okay, thank God. Say I just did yourself to be more easier. How na day? How na day? How na day? Mona come here. Oh, even me tired for. Word when I dey talk, you know they lost my people. You fit see me say, oh, this girl, oh, saga, oh, fine girl, if I know they do saga, oh, this saga when I dey do, I dey use and open our people eyes. How una say, guys? How una they see summer is dealing. When I mean dealing, summer is dealing, liaising with me. Summer is finishalizing me. Summer not be my thing. I don't like her. It be fair they sweet me at the beginning when Kobe won't nearly buy me, but this time around, summer not be my thing, my people. I'm not enjoying it. Wawa give me even again here, Papa. Mona see as I come here. Bitch, not let me stay clear. A bitch ma go me beg it yaw for. Iwa ye zeve na guana. I value see pass any other thing. Iye-eki egbeme ya tolua. How na day, my amazing people. Now, good afternoon. So, guys, without wasting much of your time, and I know I never still come online for some days. I decided to just chill out, okay? Not be so gbas. Anytime I even try to give my attention to social media, I know they nothing special. Now, Kata, waiting we don't fair talk 15 years ago. Now we go still they talk. So it get the way it be when you continue to they repeat one thing 10 times. Ave Manidia, thanks for joining, Mama Diamo. Thanks for joining. Ave Manidia, people where they use social media feed. Many social media feed. I know they use. I only use it for cruise. So dedicating my time to those people. Ave Maniko Bone. So tell me, self go come forget to enjoy. Not feel possible. I'm too young for that shit. I'm not too, you understand? I'm not the feed the, you know. Iwa bang who your conscious inside. No. I'll go enjoy myself. Yeah, you enjoy it, even way. So according to videos, people when I hear say that they laugh me. May I feel your talk down affair before we go to Vera message to Mugu update. Update, you run enter house. Update. Saga never start, you run enter house. Me not tell you say my saga not the finish. I see how una come the oppress Sarah, all of una come match the saga Sarah. The only thing I fit tell Sarah be say may leave una for God. Especially those are family. We no su why no salo boy no why ya segbe Sarah. Why be ya segbe ma be. I hear say another of una family member audio see the trend. Egbe audio one or trend the social media wa. Natawe na tabako na they repeat one thing 10 times. Who be presenters who na they come they explain for. So I hear say that they laugh me because of this my phone. This phone, make I see, make I show now. Oh, the battery don't finally off. I dey pray since made the battery low, may off. It don't finally off. This phone, when I tell they laugh, so now just new phone. This phone. When I buy this phone, do you know that this phone not get any special use where they do for me? Only just to receive call finish. Now they use this phone for. Not being I tell they go live video. Not be I have iPhones. I still get laptop. And I know this one, this is my iPhone. This one they use now at the 16. I get Samsung, open and close. Phones not be the reason why this one pay me. This one pay me, yes, I know lie, pay me because why? Because of important calls when I they receive, because of important people where be say if they break, I fit tell them, good morning, oh, good morning, sir, good morning, ma. And also, now my business line. This phone, now my business line. The reason why it can't pay me pass, now my business line. Not be say it lost. Now only when it lost, now for fit to say, oh, one thing. Be like saying a flex be the problem or the screen, which I go fix when I don't get the money. Yes, I don't get the money to go do one. When I don't get the money. So my customers, people where you understand, you feel reach out to me now. I don't command the WhatsApp. I don't put on for another phone. Yes, I don't put the WhatsApp for another phone. You can reach out to me, but I don't feel get access to your number. All the number now, it still did this phone. Except when I will do this, which you know will take me maybe yes 1 week, 2 weeks. I'd already feel some if needed. If emergency day, if I say maybe people, because I don't really get any emergency this thing. Vera said the children call her back. Yes, now that's what I want to play. Yes, I update to go use soldier beat those innocent children. That is what we are going to be talking about. A lot of things is going on. So I just say make I flash the people where they laugh say, oh, he queen if for does spoil. If to say you be phone, I for don't use you. Yes, you that person so where you they laugh say because I post my phone where the screen just because now summer. If you too use phone, you go hot and now so now things like this they happen to them. Yes, you understand. If to say as you big rich where you take the laugh, to say you be phone and you dey market, and for don't buy you use. If you even be quality phone, not be chinko phone. If I can go and buy iPhone 16, they use. Who be you when I not go fit buy use? And for they use you. So know that one and no peace. That one are for the phone. So my amazing, loving, caring people. I believe so never see me for some days. I know lie to now. I go chill. Yes, I go chill. When I mean chill, I went for chilling. Because looking at those cyberspace, none of them they grow. So if you can't even see them with congratulations, now they hard. If they hard. Okay, see the one where they do last now. Gan we kurita we go party. Now that gan me go take do my birthday. Now one we take do my birthday photo shoot. No we no. Now that gan and one we because I love that gun. Person carry money go market go buy what she like. He reach those cyberspace. First talk come this thing people know believe yes. So thanks for joining Precious Go. Thanks for joining Mama Diamond. I cite you. Now that gun I will take do my birthday so that I will laugh where. If I will see cheaper one will be €2, I'll buy and wear. Yes, no we will know ya. So that is for that. Now, wait till carry us come here, my people. Let's go straight. Now, no say I come aside for this update because I know this boy was unhudan. Unhunokirono jilawa. Unrivable. Person, what here? People don't really know me. Or they find it how to understand me. Igi hate omanotori. Omanotori. Igi hate. Person where he eye they open for another man money. Person where go they plan bad against person for back. If I see all those people, iye-eki crucify way. I not go regret. I not go pay me. I go crucify way. Because I don't like those type of people. Right from when I see this update, I know there's something fishy about this boy. I know there was something fishy about updates. I know it was not genuine. I know it was fake. If you not notice for this media, I'm repeating it again. Ever since this boy come media, una don't see me, the Queen Talk Show for this boy platform. But as a Sarah brother, I supposed to don't go this boy platform. I supposed to don't even call this boy, even contribute for some matters where we say no concern where the talk puts there. But I've never, that is one thing I like about myself. I've never for one step my feet on this boy platform. Wait till they said there, people they wash out. Because I know right from the beginning that it was fake. Anything where you see where come outside they do no way no say already Orere de here kwa. Wama sono be no maro. Just know, say na fake. Na China made. Original is slow and steady. Slow and steady. My lady say, he said, never, you not they go there. Thank you. But by normal following for Facebook, I supposed to do the, go a platform, they put comments, put like, they even they call in. But right from beginning, I know this boy na trash. Yeah, boy, now he's so fun handle him last. They do cyberspace now. Let me just take you on this your comment fast. I don't get time to waste. You see, say I block you. You say make I go work. May I tell you what I do for a living? Because be like say you be dirty for this my platform. I sell jewelries. I sell clothes. I do shorts. I make hair. I make hair, nails, lashes. You dey hear me so? And I'm also into China importation. Yes, I just added that cost to it now. If you want to do business, you dey look for, like you dey Europe, you dey look for agents to help you bring your goods from China to Europe, anywhere in Europe. Contact me. I'll give you the contact, but not be for free. Before I feel learn all those things, I suffer put. If you want to go into business, you want to start business, you don't know how to do, you don't know how to buy from China to they say anywhere in the world, contact me. I will put you through. So you, when you tell me, say, make I go work, if it be say, my own work, it pass your own, where you they do. Yes. My own work, where me they work, it pass your own. Money back, I see and pass you, and I see get and pass you. I not be your mate. Now you need to find work, join work, not be me. Because me, now body I take the work. So that's for that. So my amazing people, when this boy come this cyberspace, make I tell you now, the one of the things will make me mark this boy no. We all where we come this cyberspace, we lawyer. Yes. We all where we come this cyberspace. I don't block my lady many time. Even if not 3 person they look me, I don't get you. Wag many tears. Say you they look me no wag they comment he block you where you marry. Forever you don't go see this page again. And now they go back on block. People when me block for the quiz to yourself. Some of them go see come here now. Once you drop your email block, I don't block people. Then 1,000 years, I don't feel remember again. So my people, when this boy come this space, how to detect a fake somebody? He not loyal to anybody. This update, he not loyal to anybody. This boy not loyal to Frank. I will tell you guys the truth. If Frank do small mistake for where this boy go saga Frank. Because all he cares about now that view, that money we won't make that moment. But life is not like that. Adanegbe wagbona. Adanegbe wagbona. If you come outside, you see people where you come meet, they're not rich. You na rats. Thanks for joining, my lady, Mama Faith. Thanks for joining. You yourself, you be rat. Umase. Adanoma. Even if among all, there must be a person that you like. Say you come at those cyberspace, you don't like anybody. Then what you can do? Waiting you can do. Guys, they are flagging this video. Please love and like, share. Monami share. Many of us will come this at those cyberspace. We come out because of how they were treating our loved ones. Me becoming a presenter today was not what I wanted 7, 8 years ago. But because of how I saw what was going, the oppression, how people oppress people because they have big platform, that was the major reason I came out. And I don't come out to say, I want to grow. I don't get that mentality of, hey, I want to go use them make money. Oh, I want to go. He said, it's if all the money people contribute. Yes, now I'm gonna relax. Now I want to play to people so what chillers. For in mind, this is a saga don't finish. Who was war? I tell you, say my saga not they finish. I feel they beat you once in 3 years, but therefore only a vote ballot because I believe say by now you don't the heat. The one when I beat you that last week, who ye when your head come make bokoro, your head come make bukuru. You see, maybe by now you don't get body they eat well now. Now make me still come back now. You don't vow go down where you are. Who they maybe now 1 week 2 weeks, you have a vow go now you are. Who will they be reduce? You see lost some kilos. By the time I'm busy with other things, who will they be keep back by me? Now maybe queen, now maybe run, and maybe when you buy. And as some man I had my boy on it. You understand? This boy came to media with I want make money. I want build many pages. To the extent, all the page they donated for Vera children. All the page where people follow because of Vera children. All the money where they donate for Vera children. This boy chopped all that money, collected those pages, logged those children out. Oh my mama, Emma. Oh my mama va my people. Emma. When I hear that story, I shed tears. When I hear, though I know already, people don't fit tell me the info. But when Vera talking, when I hear the way Vera, Percy go do that nonsense with any of my children or my picking, but the one will go born for future. Anyone, you'll try that. Even Percy, when me tell you go son, go daughter, you'll try that mess. Eh? With waiting there around me, even my sisters or my brothers. See, they go cripple you. Don't be choice. Make me. If person don't get person for this life, you know good though. Mona listen to how update waka with those children. Mona listen to this one a Vera. Now they talk am now. This one not be say queen, can't say queen, say no. When I tell you, I say this boy are not good for it. Who be this girl? I say, thanks for joining. No games priceless, my personal person. This girl so now be Mugu updates girlfriend, is side chick. Now this girl now they call in for Mugu update platform. They insult everybody, both investor children, investor family, your wife for everything. This girl so wait it don't rot finish. So this girl wait senior my grandmama update you one lady market. You no see woman follow. He concern na this iye-eki. This one where even a smile don't wrinkle. Egbe ya riko ne. Runda. Egbe na ya lobe. Eropa egbe. Who say this girl go no say this girl see they do a shower? Because if she know they do a shower, waiting go make person carry all 7 color one person. Ona ye de egbe to mwe blue ye wana. I bet this makeup where this girl makeup, I makeup egbona. And lash they go you. Ona mwe blue. I been a purple. Ona do view ye wan. Vestor say I better send that for okay, my personal person. Once I finish this video, I'll send that for you. I'll send that for you. Now, this girl, they contribute to Mugu Update platform. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. I cite you. Queen, thanks for joining. You know, they get me. All those smart way they make, again, not subscribing it. Now, this one, Dana. I shower, but shower me. Who see this girl? No, say girl shavi. No, me what me my people. Or won't date or won't get be legit one and original one. Or won't get be. This one not be say. Now, wait till pursue update enter inside has be that. Or won't get be. Or won't get be. I don't fit tell us if you know say na lie they talk, may go swear. Or majo. Because you know, me at the mates when I come they use like saga small rat way enter media. They don't like media me another yo with saga or my bona hina no zuana. I tell them say when you take on media don't come. It is a lie. I tell them say when you take on media don't come. Not be the time where everybody they craze. All of us don't mature. We don't big now. You not loyal. You not pay your dues. Sound like media. You never do sama. Imana we sama. Investor do sama. All of us do sama. Even Frank do sama. Imaya. All of us we do sama. Mana do yegbe because Stalio say Ezekbe will go adia. Amari yegbe. Mana do yegbe. You understand? We can't graduate. Can't start to do our own. When I want Lajan from nowhere, you say you don't come. Okay, who be your master? Na me no, who be your master? Oha go Lajan do ta we go no a master we. Na ka wa bioni enya goni. Awa twist enya lega ake go we. Who be your master? Who be master? You not get master. All of us get the way we take stand for this media. I feel as you say, how you take stand for those cyberspace? Who more we vote up? When I want Lajan from nowhere, you say you want contradiction. You go where? You will be offended. You be rats. You be rats. You don't know. We are doing. My people, make I play Vera video for una make una listen to her update. How you do Vera children. Make I give her volume.
See, that mean the Vera, the beautiful woman. Who say make I near on there? Who say make I don't near on? I will stay clear. Now me assume is man, and I know they do evil, but me young one.
Who listen to Vera?
You don't get single shame. Where the shame one day? Using your own blood sister to collect money. Since you have been, you don't get document. I never come abroad and get document. No thing go ass. Because I'm very...
That thing they are more waiting make me dislike this update. You understand? When this boy bring Vera children come outside, or substance or Johnny aside you. When this boy bring Vera children come outside, I know fully well say that thing where you do a bad thing. I am your family ne problem ije. I am your ben a problem ije. But for you to cross your boundary, waiting none of your family member don't do you. Una vivie Vera latia. Do shedi yan ause ya segbe poti ni biekali me wowa una ya video oi. Do you know that you can go to jail for that, even for this Europe where you did? Who are in level like who are who talk less of you not only break them out, you use the fraud people money. You don't know that. Thank you, my pipe aside you. You don't know that. Who like who ya who ye? Do you know that people are working on your case? Come and tell the social media why you enter house. Update. The reason you stop live video and start blogging. Remove shame for your eye. Content media. Waiting they stop you. Who they follow you they go. You be rats. I tell you say by the time may I not be said out. By the time I'm through with you. Where you were for a basura. One basura na record does be for France. Anyway, you so. I don't need to come and make noise. Can't tell the world why you stop social media. Dota Miriagbo. The reason you run inside, waiting to show you. Come and tell the world. You think say social media is a bed of roses. You know even read them. You know study them. You know observe now what they are. Or see any man have a binak boa. I they say Facebook na not be choice. I forget to even put your house address for here just now safe. Your house address in case of who want petition you, who want video your children if they go school. Who want video your wife pot of soup? Who want video your life? When any big gun your address, I for put all of them for here. Anybody where they find you, make them know where they'll find you go for that area where you go hide for inside rock, where you go hide yourself. Mona listen to Vera.
Lazy ass. Only what she do. My husband. You know if you use 1 naira, 2 naira.
Thank you.
Or when we part time. Job, you should read school. You know, language school, you know, go for Italy. Part-time job, you know, do to support him. The matter me ring like skeleton. Which 1 naira to support me, no fee. To see Bogu, the woman wants to buy something, you go see money use. Oh, my jour.
Please share the video, guys.
Sister children, they collect money for social media because they are criminal. Yeah, that boy. Now, the same rope hold it. Yeah, that boy, show bad yevo. How to do fraudster, to collect people money, to collect children money. Social media money, they making she do na TikTok shop.
A buy investor say, I talk this thing before, but they not believe me. Now, so they be for social media. I dey close to him here. I am doing investigation on that boy. Thank you, Epai Bisugbe. That's a queen for a reason. Updating. We are here one bugwe nania. You come media. You say you no go lawyer. You never see. He can't do the street. You don't know. Una do you we be a way. You not even fear. Say no to, I not tell you, say, if I hear say no to Europe tour again for your mat, I go bang your mat. Ni meyata muwe, we ye ladia, do always say no to Europe tour. The day when I talk, say no to Europe tour, if I hear that for your mat again, now that day, the next day, now when I come and say, when I not do say no to Europe tour again. That's what they say, power pass power. Power, we go operate, wait till they call underground. I operate you underground. Who do you use over they say Facebook? You not gonna know what they happen to you. Where you know you to send no to Europe to. I what bay where wago. Where no yobo. Wait till concern robo concern those states. What can we yobo can you do? Now make an answer this a pie investor question. Say I said this thing before. Nobody believe. Yes, a pie investor because why? Believe they make parable say, oh mama, when me answer your mao, I answer me, especially for me. That is my own logo. That is my logo. If person, I like, if you tell me say this person be like this, I will just patient. Watch. Once I don't know, say yes. Venu gieji, erio deji, onwani, ariana riave, you know fit dey close to me again for life. Because or deji na gieji ne on your foot. That's me. And I believe say now so a lot of people still take they live their life. Oh, running or a pie vestor. So not to vest for us. Say the time you bring this boy to us and told us that a boy na drown on mama de me webo. Eh the grima be my person. Not to verse for us, not be our fault. Any man. Una they get me so. This boy come out for social media. He no get. He say, I like your logo. Thank you. You understand? He no get front. He no even get topic. Matter where they do no consign. He don't feel the insult presenter. So he don't feel the insult presenter. He don't feel the insult presenter. He can't talk. Say he won't fight for between Sarah and Vera matter. Not knowing that this boy don't get her for mind. Say he won't use Vera children to make money on social media. Which I go they tell una how this boy they use soldier they go beat those children, collect that money forcefully from those children's hand, log all of them out from their Facebook pages to make sure say those children not tell us what they go through for this boy hand. Because when Frank interviewed those children for YouTube, I was shocked when those children talk, say, we they go walk, oh, we they suffer, oh. Now, one people say, now, nights walking, they walk, oh. They don't see any money, oh. All the money where they give, they don't see any money, oh. I was like, I don't understand. This one are children, where we say, if you wrote to me for inside, that one show school back. That one say, update all the money where they donate for them. They say, make it put wrote to me for school. Put the other one for school. The other one where they go out there. May send that one money. The first one may go put that one for work, which is Ayo. May go put that one for work. Make the register, do everything. So the one where they say make it go put for work. Now that one can go, they do night work. Plus the wrote to me. These children are no schooling. They are no learning handwork. Instead, he go put them for labor. He go put them for labor work. These children, they work to survive. Until tomorrow, update still they collect money, woto. There are women who place those children for monthly allowance. I know that one for America women, UK women, German women. They can easily do that. If they want to help you, they're not even reason that they'll place you for monthly allowance. Even Frank go also sometimes come carry 100,000, go give the children. But update has never. They see 20 naira, I never give these children. They see 5 naira, I never give these children. Instead, money where they donate for these children, he go use soldier, collect that money from their hand. Make una listen to Vera.
She do na TikTok shop. Okay. For where? She the see people now go buy something for TikTok shop now. Don't they advertise? See, don't go. Never use 1 naira.
Please share the video, my people.
Pour out to fraud to collect money to beg. Why you hate me? This one, the time I look come abroad, give me money, give me money, give me money. I go give her, not go pay me. I go give her, not go pay me. You want to marriage? I give her money. I buy her from Nigeria. I give her money for abroad. Yeah, me not they see her. Oh, nah, terrible. But that time when they collect money for me, not tell me say I know they take all my children. No, on my time because if they see they collect, when they not see collect from you again, they will call for you. That's what she they do. Ask her whether me they hold me don't collect.
Vera now they talk about their elder sister. She they come for updates. Thanks for joining Mama Chelsea Mohammed. Thanks for joining my lady.
Vera this, Vera this. Una pretend una not see the picture, una not know the truth. At the market, all the evil when the commenter, the viewer, one support that then I see disgrace. Then they run now. The boy now, the senior kids now they tell when they check. When she's down for social media, donate for the children. Like I said, the picking they don't get papa. Meanwhile, he know what he did. He know the truth. Just to see me frustrated, just to see where to bring me down because he's envy of me. She's jealous of me. But at the end, God don't let her walk because I don't get demand for it. Amen. When I consider to donate to, when I consider to do why donate be our war. The one I fed donate now they say they don't shop. Oh yeah, I'm gonna gather strength to donate another. Lucky, don't you donate go? When I call you the take donate, I beg, why don't you go now? You there wrong? Say that the saga of that's one they wrong. Everything we talk, bring your 2 children, come outside, let's see it. View when father they are begging. Say that don't show. Don't say the say that good. Say that they don't say the support anyone will not get it one day. She show her whether good or bad. You see when view when father they are begging whether they do. Picking the
thank you, Luther.
Well, you will don't go view father they won't see their eye whether they're good.
Even Vera now they tell updates make you go bring 2 children come outside make them see them. How healthy those children be. I said those children, salon boy, magiya, have 4-day tissue, big tissue, you go $4 like this. Aqua wajinya one for inside. Aqua where tissue your well. If not, all your body go soak, all spit, unwe gwe or bilasin. Because when their mama get those children belly, daughter tell their mama say, make she go commode those belly because ijinya mo giagbe. Una know say once pregnant woman get belly, they will start to do tests, more tests on them. So they finally detected this woman gets ugiagbe. And doctor said, go and remove this belly. These children already contacts. The woman said no because oma no move logono or married a beer. A me vani ye say 60 years. Or you cannot buy 60 years. A me vani of your kiava. Or where you no go feel remove her. In go bond anyway by way. Or ya be le money. We are me money near. Gene go gola 9 debi. Saloba maginya o. Gene go gola 9 debi. Wanna listen.
I they like saga with proof and evidence. I know they like Benny. You like I know they like
I know
they like come on, now you want the road. You are frustrated. Now you not say frustrated. They frustrated. We're not frustrated. You not frustrated. Now you carry your children when you broke. When you don't get work, they collect money. We're not frustrated.
Me, I believe it.
You not frustrated. Now you use the scam people finish. Carry the money shopper. You not frustrated. We're not frustrated. Your elder sister not frustrated. You not frustrated. So no, that person. Yeah.
Share the video, guys. Thumbs up. I bet more than me share.
I bet when I continue to use the beg money. When I continue, contributor. A husband not able. Man, when no. You see, when I when they contribute, when I contribute, when I see contribute. I bet when I contribute.
When I list you, she never started. Matter my son.
You can't see me for. You know why? My mind is clean. If you are far looking at me, they pay you die. Because I don't know you from Adam. I don't me cause the one day for nobody. Your mommy misses you like babe. You will be viewer, you'll be commenter from afar, you don't like that. My
That boy,
buy you.
that boy,
Shame and disgrace never meet you. No, your favorite, all of you shame, doko. The money now one son don't know what help na papa or mama. They say they don't collect the money for the house. Kidnapper. Who fit kidnap a day? They no fit kidnap you see collect.
Una hear say Vera repeat this word again. Say who fit kidnap a day? Vera have said this word long time ago when she and this boy saga dey grand. He talk and say who fit kidnap. If I talk and say this boy they say kidnap old woman. I fair explain out to una. When he did Nigeria, he was not be saying na he only he go no. He did among of people where go kidnap old woman. He go prison put oh. Not be saying no go prison put. He go prison put. Now when he can't lie saying no kidnap, he no do this one. Say na his friends, but he was among. He go prison for 6 months. Now ceremony and balo you win. Now when this boy come out for prison, white ass ojo the 6 months. He already has there. My people, not be now, not be that time where they don't pass law, put say, if they catch you for kidnapping, something bad go happen to you. 6 months or so, keki hold a lawyer not for a do. Now when he take come out, then no, now me they tell una so. He don't take this matter so. Now this boy take fall for road, come Europe. Nya ya yo sisi gbewa. Bunda, emiere, anamio. To the extent this boy abused children. A boy na, if he be a car. If you see they sell orange, all those small children that time, when they put train for their head, go sell orange, go sell okra, go, you know. This boy go call them, he go say he want buy orange. He go say he want buy orange. This boy go carry those innocent children. You will carry the entire iye-eki anyanya. A boy na, who say, forget say what they do saga. A boy na boy clean. He was the last person to come on social media. Because when you know, say your past, a past where we are, a past where we went. What do you say social media be? You think say a place where we say, if one brought back go come online video, now they analyze issue. When you don't fit thief. You know they work that way. You know they work that way. Because as you enter, all your past will come present. The whole world will know what you do past for your life. Una they get me. If it be a kaya tomo ya fuere. As he black for face, na so he had. Na so he job be patiento, na so he be. Erioji. Very wicked somebody. I'm telling you guys. I don't do saga with a lot of people on this media, but I know say, I never talk say person wicked. A boy na, jesu, or me, haze, or me, na tosi, or me, dana him. Akiro no la mwa. Believe it or leave it. When you near her, you go know. Suno kagele, no. Person thing, na the day I. Eti yobokwa. Person thing, person money, anything money. Yo koma gaga. Bene domogu wewe. Those type of people, I know they like them. No matter how you paint them. He like him. This boy, na thief. O mila. As una de see so. Mona listen for that.
Our children take all money, we them. Shame not the cash me. The name of I don't love Vera. Vera and a bad person. Wait till I do you, sister, brother. I know you from mother. The money when they say una donate, they don't collect her for now.
For block here for pass, not block her for that.
The other one collect you use and collect to go Nigeria. I remember that time when they did it. Una donate. If you don't see account for year, see account for your life, see account for year. Una donate. Their mama na this. Meanwhile, it's for their own pockets. God forbid. Since last year they have told me. You know, concern because now they find money when we say they belong to truth. I will not go donate for that for me. I don't have that. I tell now the woman of my word, I stand on my word. Any people don't respect me, they know. Since he say that you go tire. He go cry blood. Now they are not crying. Lucky, get ready to donate for them. Okay? Get ready to donate for them. You hear me so? Kate, like they don't donate. They say they need money now. Don't donate. Think you can tell me. That will be useless more than we don't know when they say look up. Since you not feed they use, una go give them the money. Una say na me they see now they give. Una not even feel you now they give them every month. Now donation, una don't do donation take 8 hours on our own. I bet wanna donate for them. Money when me they get, they say no rich. Me I not get time to give them. They will continue that donation ever and ever. Yes. Pikin will not hear. Even for abroad, the pikin not do well. There is a way you treat that child. You will learn. So I'm not there useless. I not be mother when don't know I know it left for me that if they use you as mother, not pikin if you use my brain. Me go me there. Show my son and get money, me not get. No problem. God go make me get and I go get forever and ever.
Vera, your own be say, Vera, me I will tell you your own part. It is very bad to abandon those children like that. I not say maybe you abandoned them before. But this thing, when lucky they use those children, they do so. You for just stand up for those children. First of all, arrest Lucky first for using your children on your behalf. You not give her that permission. For tarnishing those children image. For bringing them to social media. You have never bring your children to social media and you not support anybody bringing them to social. You can sue him. He go pay it back. You don't know say if this one. Even your mama just cook already, but you ask question. With waiting Lucky do so. Those children for not suffer. Those children that is their life, they not fit go out again. Lucky they you not fit go tell police. Lucky they fight people every day for social media now. He bring your children go involved for those fighting. Your children are not fit go work, they not fit go school. He don't destroy their life. No more future for those children. You don't know what you want. You yourself will be the mama. You want crazy. All the children are depressed. You know if you go tell government like that. May you look what they go use iye-eki. He go work till buy. He go feed. He go take care of those children. You know fit. You just leave your children. Make Lucky they use them. Go benter. Push them go here. Push them go there. Push them go here. Push them go there. Use them anyhow. So if those children, if may God not let any of them cry, if those children cry now, you know go cry. You know go pay you. You don't feel swan. May you know a place. As I say, you know be their mama, you know be their papa. You know get safe for those children. Life. Talk less of bringing them to media, can't turn them to mockery. Use them, finish, collect money. See, say soldier, go beat them. Innocent children. Oh, nah, yes, soldier, you
first one, no, don't collect on, don't shop on. Now, disgrace, say that they talk of that, I not be like she.
No matter what you do.
Then they can see updates now they run. The Lucky now they run. No one do that because no one may say that. Deliberate on that one. You know what may say that open. The updates they run. Even the kids now they run. You know go do video. In my matter now you go now donation now come donate for picking. You go see all of them with the entire life the 3 times in a day. Because it's what we favor the night they define. Now what you want favor the night they define? What you want where they want benefits? I didn't say no they hungry. I didn't say you better pass. Why you got a better pass me like that? When we say picking with nobody.
Share guys. Mona I miss your love her life.
How you got a good pass me? Or when my baby why you go with social media. Show the life when I say the one turn to billionaire. Mona make sure someone turn to billionaire. When me for the wait now, the wait on time never reach. Why make sure we turn to billionaire? Okay. Very easy and clear. Share what I know if you do now want to a glory be to God. Contribute. People when they contribute, when I continue to contribute, now contribute now time. When I contribute to now time, when I continue to contribute to because when they tell on that on I say Vera they lie. That person Vera na liar.
Whether should go to the Spanish police and report. Yes, and Nigeria too. Yes.
Because you don't like Vera,
take a lawyer. Me, you're tired for her.
You don't even know what is happening. You know that most of you did not know. Based on jealousy, based on I don't like her, how they behave, how they look. Because I don't I still look beautiful more than you. If they pay you, you didn't bother. Even when I was telling you guys, when I was saying a lie, they like, who ain't no why? I thought I saw now good go kill now. When no get on and say,
guys, love and like, okay, no love and like for this video. Why?
Most of them come over the cost innocent and no get on the family.
Why not no love and like this video? What's going on? Mona pull love and like, please.
Say, I will not use my platform to take. You just say, no, that person are friend to Vera. That person are friend to Vera. But today, where till we talk, not be the call to pass. When they not, when me talk am, and not get talk am. When I say that person Vera and not get down the corner, they're in a good mood. I be not be waiting on talk. Like say me no know what that they do before. Like say me no know them. Abi unzo. Aba shawo ni get gra no go one ya. Una mama there they suffer. Most of una papa there they suffer. They need the money. Una want pepper Vera to their market. Now they are not running. They collect all the money. They use it on their own. Tomorrow, let them come out for donation. You must donate. Tomorrow, when they come outside for donation, if you not donate, now go punish you. Unless they work here, go. Let's work here, go.
Nobody go donate again.
Donate no time. Since my get read this until they see. His name I don't like Vera. Vera no this. Vera no come comment again. Mona come comment now. Mona come comment. Because what that one they talk like that, the one where they do no, the one where that one they talk like that, but the one they talk about that one are truth. Since una get out, una get here, all the reason until they hear, una get out, una know the truth and the lie. Why now? Why I beg? Why am I commenting? Having the useless motherfucker idiot people. Una not come comment. Now that they run. Now they run for conversation. Shame on you people. See, I'm the Vera. When you think you will see me fall, you will be the one to fall. As far as I don't plan you again, so I don't even know you from pardon. You will be the one to fall. Today I'm here rejoicing, laughing. And Vera, the truth. Lie always want to come out, but you see truth. Truth will surely.
Thanks for joining, my lady, Mama Emata. Thanks for joining. I don't go be so I don't my body don't go finish.
Last year for
See, I don't even do my hair. See my hair don't long, guys. Veggie hair is sweet.
Because children use their mouth tell me they're the best.
Veggie hair, they say when my hair soft and long.
Because they know
they sweet. I never want plate. Even if I plate and last 2 days, I'll lose them. That's also water they pour put.
They knew very well say now lie. Decision got wrong. They knew very well say now lie. They knew they are not begging. If no one hear the voice note, say I beg, they don't say they offend me. They are lie, they know. Me I not get time because me.
This part where Vera talks so, I believe her. Say those children, they are easily manipulated by Mugu updates. Una not say those children go swear. Mumu swear where they say go swear. Because updates yesterday they give them money, say make they go swear. And our updates give them that money, say make they go swear. Our money where updates give those children, take go swear, go take walk. Because updates want to prove a point. Children where you no born. I'm fine, my lady, mama sit down on top, I'm fine. Children where you no born, you get the mind, the infantry to send those children to Babalawo Shrine. Say make the Congo swear. Wait till you know if you send your own pikin. Wait till you know if you send go la where you born. Because I felt like I say you don't care about Vera children. That was why you don't care what I put to those children. Even me as me there, so I know if you say my sister or my brother children, say go Babalawo, small children. No matter any lie, we person lie for their head. There are different ways to prove somebody innocent. Don't be I don't go carry juju. You send those innocent children to something when you will be all that no say now you be that thief. Wait, come this those cyberspace. They thief people under those children name. The same way you thief those children money where people donate. Update. Go carry juju come swear. If you have ever tested money where they donate for those children, even if na 1,000 naira, wa di go ni, wa gbo mo gbego, ogun ni ti do ga gbo eye gbo. Ogun ga gbo eye tin track una zanwo. Say money where they donate for those children. Oh, 1 naira, 2 naira, una di eju nu. Uwe na ri oi. Wa must ofin wu. Ebo aba we hian se. Wa bi eki osenu budawo. Wa bodawo. Almost osenu iye-eki. Ya bata ba se dagben iwe. Ego when you carry your sister children come outside. Fine, you want help them. But was that help genuine? No. You have hidden intention. You therefore fear this boy. All the pages when they used to do so. All those Vasco neneni update, Isan update, Ayo update, Oto update. All those pages where you can turn to Ine. Those page was for Vera children. Those page was Vera children page. Because when he created those page for those children, I hate going to his page. I followed those children. So suddenly, I not going to see the children. I can't they see him. Because me, as I be investigate where. As I be investigate, that's how they know what I talk for this media. When I see her, I will like, what you make me the only see this Mugu boy page? Which day I follow this boy? Which day I follow? Why they only see page? I had to click into his page and go check some few things there. Now I see change names. I see where he changed the Rotimi name. Come put your name for those children page. Now there I fear give us all this jivabon. Now, after you don't do all these things, don't collect those children page. Collect their money. Because no one made those children come Facebook, come cry out. Come tell law, say, see what that they go through from this, their wicked uncle. This their ifunanya uncle. This their ifunanya uncle. As I just tell Naso Yabio. Mona listen for that.
I know. Even people, mothers, we go blame. Because they come last year say, no worry, just leave them. Then they could see me, I not talk, I not swear for that stuff, we leave them. They call say they go, they use some people say don't fair happen to me. One woman call for UK, he say don't fair happen to me. One call for America, he say if your blood sister don't fair do this with the
go to last.
One call for Netherlands, one call for Belgium. All of them were calling me say just they look. I didn't sit down for my hand they look. But today we call. They went the hand call they meet the money when they say they don't give them. When lucky see me they forward the money to your account. Say they don't forward that they will get problem. The second one when they send me they cost me say no go send. Then he carry soldier go beat that one. When I want to see video when lucky.
Let me take it back. Mona listen to this.
When I call for Belgium, all of them were calling me say just they look. I didn't sit down for my hand they look. But today we call. They went the hand call they meet the money when they say they don't give them. When lucky see me they forward the money to your account. Say they don't forward that they will get problem. The second one when they send me they cost me say no go send. Then he carry soldier go beat that one. When I want to see video when lucky they beat that boy with soldier. Say they go.
Lucky ne balok. Come and defend this part where Vera talks so. Lucky ne balok. AKA Mugu update. Can't defend this part where Vera talks so. Say, you forcefully collect money where they donate for those children accounts. Say, after people donate for those innocent children, finish. You can't give the accounts, may they put that money. Wrote to me where everybody know as the stubborn one, can't say no. They're not going to give you that money. You come have to send soldiers. Go meet them for house. Beat Rotimi and collected that money. Thanks for joining Mama Rita, the best, my Queen Rita. Thanks for joining my lady. Thanks for joining Mama Yo. Happy birthday in advance. Thanks for joining my lady. Una they get me so. He collected. Mommy is bad from yes, so I don't miss you. I don't miss more. As you come up for the Facebook tire me because what I want watch, which people I want watch. Anything I watch them and depressed, man, so me self I just see find somewhere. Me not always you one side. I also could enjoy the go. Once you come up for Facebook, I want to watch. I know Facebook work on me. So that is it, my lady. Thanks. You are welcome back. Thanks for joining the video. So my amazing people. Now so we see them all. This thing one just they tell now so. Now Vera they talk now. They confirm waiting the children. Tell her. Even Vera said she get the video. Even Vera talking for this video. Say Sarah know they lie. Sarah know they use lie do video. She be affected on her say Sarah they do saga. Sarah they swear well for children. But Sarah can never use lie to saga you. And Sarah you away saga. Vera even talk say everything Sarah talk na truth. How update, Mugu update, take plan to use those children, those innocent children money, take follow Sarah buy land. Sarah thought he share that money to 3 places. He give the children 1. He collect 2. Which is the truth. And my said the blogger won't post this video. Try. If not, people for no, yes, because then I go do one for TikTok. He said that boy don't taban, my queen, you don't. That's for yet. You understand? Thank you, my lady, Mama you. You understand me so? How can a person, you say you want to help people, now you see park soldier, go beat them. Collect money, because say you know say nobody go ask you. He do that thing finish, he can't remove those children from their accounts. He lock those children out from their accounts for Facebook. Make them not grumble come out. And I believe say he don't threaten them well. But those children no fit take them again. They have to go back to go tell their mama say everything how they take come out, when they swear for their mama. It was all arranged by this lucky no, because of said I don't want to swear for their parents. No, go and better behind bijo behind. He go be no be. Even this boy get ugiagbe as we speak. Make it go bring. I don't tell say make it go bring the test result come for me. With the white blood test result. Make they go bring and come for me. But I don't need any other thing. I don't need for eye test, math test. No. Make they go bring ugiagbe test result come for me. You go carry the I know as they take the post test result now. The same way people take the post DNA for this media. Make this boy with his wife post their ugiagbe result. This boy get ugiagbe. You this is girlfriend so wait they up yes so where you feel say you they shine your teeth for another man husband. I be another woman husband. Your teeth they shine where ke do ko gbo severi na. First the woman gba or there you were. And go why sister it's 7 color one person. Wozen we mana gwalo de or de you we ke do kuogbo ana imiego o mano ye isage shavi bielo mevane e uwe gidu anya koma nu wezu abagbon which update want do for you uwe enye ho we ma ekia etwin na gbon we enye etana ekia etwin you never hear nu why na gi wa gbeyegbe wa mi opia we media even if you get wife wa bound yo we ma update you know who na you go mo. If not be say the family reject and say no go fit put money for that woman head where or when you know who when and wake up body. Update here get so wobo. Update here get so wobo. Why nyankun e bendegbe no get buwa gun ashawodan They were gala shinumu ya on do popo ya pente mana. They no ya banshawo ohona. They no ya banshawo. As I don't bring you out now, they'll bring your info come for me. Ugbele ni agbo na you the sponsor. Wo vigone no do ya de view ya zu over those cyberspace. Wetin affect e eye go affect your nose. Iriokpa ya gbalu waiva. Why koko suhungu edenewerowa. Say make them poster. Here no go let them couple. Now that sickness go by that. But yes, now the boy gets. He can't begin start today. Ona do akeke wuweko. That boy do ona do akeke wuweko. He can't come out for a mat. If you look in mat here now and here, you go see this picture when I put for dance. Not to show where, but now if you look and where it did my past video, you feel screwed up. You go see those signs. Those are symptoms of ugiagbe HIV. No mu ige a mugo updates. Those are signs of ugiagbe no mu. Because why? It all they react. Maybe he missed the day of tablet. But they put them for tablet, oh, my people. Because me, ya tell me how they talk and where. Where. They put them for tablet. The woman, they drink medicine. He too, they drink medicine. So that they know if he give person. Yes. If you dance pain, you not feel use and say laugh them. Yeah, if you dance pain, you know, for use and laugh them because they will run go meet government. Ya so where a miamedani yamu ujagia. So they get upper for spell because when you be Spain, that's what we get for Italy. You understand? But say you dey Spain, you are not allowed to mock them with it. Yes. But in any other country, you can laugh them and mock them. Hey boy, they will by sunu. It's legit and original. To know say na truth, they get them. If you use and mock them for Spain, their government no degree. People where this if testify say yes. Their government no degree may use and mock them. If the woman, that is why he wife. If you all conquer some over via station. If you all look like this over via station. But even if you want mock them, you want tell them, use and laugh them. Make sure they come for you first. If they come for you first, you have every right to use anything where you enter your mouth. Go them. The same way he take come to us first. Now come to say, he give you forefathers 3 days. Make they come, they apologize one day. Or go and one no turn you on. Oh bijou. Then we like me, you have to. We pay Jesus when. Oh go boy go. You not go collect the 3 days apology. Get away, Lelawa. I hear me webe face. Oh, you just I don't forget your matter. You think say me go. No, if person will tell you, say me go forget you. You confess I will forget you. Or de bueku. Dran or babe. Who giagbe somebody. Bona listen to what you do very children. When no me. Now you want to talk to us for Facebook. What you want to tell us? Who be your mate here? Tell me.
They go even kill her.
Make I can't go back.
The second one when they say me they call man they look.
Ah, listen, what you brother they do?
They want the hand call they need the money when they say they don't give them. When lucky see me they forward the money to your own account. See they don't forward that. They will get the second one when they say me they cost me say no go say. Then he carry soldier go beat that one. When I want see video when lucky they beat that boy with soldier. Say they go even kill her. We go though. Video went that one. The tape beat that one. Injure that one. Soldier beat that one. That one almost died. No, that one clear. They go. Soldier follow that one. Go back. Go transfer the money to Lucky. When I told her, say Lucky na kidnapper. When I say na lie. You know what I do for these bastards? No many times I don't.
Now see how they oppress their children. He carry soldier follow them after they don't beat them for us. Bolo then drag them. They had to still follow the go station. Go do instant transfer. Now said I give that dirty boy leg for Facebook. Yes, now. They had to drag those children. Those soldiers way go beat those children. Those soldiers in I will say Vera go measure the barrack where they for come outside. we for look for those soldiers. We for still look for those soldiers. For them, not be real soldier, but all those one are backyard soldier. If you're na lucky you arrange them. Wear the soldier uniform, say, may it go oppress those innocent children. A real soldier will not do that. A real soldier go ask what they go on. This one now be say the children they hold you money. Now money where people give them. That was why when Frank they interviewed those children for YouTube, the boy, if you listen to Ayo, he said, brother, I don't want to talk again. Oh, I don't need Wahala. Me, I don't need problem. Oh, I don't want problem. Oh, I don't need Wahala. I bet may they leave us. So may they leave me and my brother. So I don't they work. Now in a work I go since now around 4 I take the con house. May they leave us. So we don't want Wahala again. Oh, not knowing that now updates follow back. Go use soldier beat those children. That was why that boy was repeating that word. I don't want Wahala again. I have that video. I'll go look for that video. I'll come play it. I save it already. That was why that boy was repeating. We don't want Wahala. We don't want Wahala. Even money where but I lucky donate for us. We don't see the money. Oh, now me they go work. Oh, I just they come for work. Now night we take the work. Now I can't reason that word where say. So those Wahala where those children come they repeat. Now lucky go give them that Wahala because nobody give them Wahala. Even Vera where they come as I call it short not give them Wahala. Social media people not give them Wahala. Not knowing say now lucky. Now go you soldier beat those children. Even their page he collect them. Yes, he collect those children pages. Because he knows even if I or not talk, Rotimi must talk. Wait till they go on. Frank can't ask and say, this is what me. Frank don't know about this thing so far. So I see say some people they talk say na him with Frank gather they do. Frank don't know about these things. Because Frank also ask and say, why you collect this children page? He said the children they post nonsense. Waiting concern you with what they post. Anybody don't come use what they post, saga they know. Because they know say they be children. Nobody don't use what they post. They saga because they be children. He come back give that excuse say that they post any artist and I make it collect that page whether it's not lie. Even Sarah talk and say he even complain or Mugu update even complain to Sarah say he don't like the way Frank they call those children. Say the thing they vex because more things way so if maybe for those to use the children raise another money. But because Frank also they involved with the children. Or if they collect it, according to Sarah, he said money where they collect, they share into Tiri. So nobody know as they do the remaining 2 parts. Nobody know how they share the remaining 2 parts. Matter still they grant my people. That 2 parts will remain so updates lucky no lelawa. Maybe na make you write us. You go come out, come tell the world how you do that money. If not, ogwa son guava or a mereya boe dinegbo. If you ever shop that any of una, wanna gather share that children money. Except say you go use and follow Percy by land. Say you share, you take your percentage. The other person take a percentage. Wana ga ready oni. Who do di no gbe kandi or yan gbowa. Who have any amount wanna chop. Now go the return. If not a bodan, e kan mu gbowa. And ya batie oba senuwa. Children where you claim now you don't come and say you dey fight for them. Kurita talk, Kurita talk, not be truth. Kurita don't lie for their head. You want fight for them. Children where you go you soldier beats. Children where you go use soldier beat, go use soldier drag, go use soldier polo follow ground. Children where you drag follow ordinary ground. Children where you use soldier mash. Now you come outside cause say, hey mo, okay, ya no, she a pikin everybody, oh, make una anybody wey go dey support this kind thing. Whereas you thief these children money, you squeeze their hand, go back and collected these children money. Waiting you do Vera children, it must happen to your children. Emma must we way. Ariana o, Ariave o, Emma must we way. Eba by wese. Say what you do for those children. Na good thing. And na your money you take do. Say no be your own personal money. No be say you go work, you come begin the sponsor. Na people money. Una wale yo toti honi wale honi na ukwewe go yigere. Wa must ofinya wo be Facebook, wa must ogbina gbo ama. How you dey prepare for your awaiting case? Because you get case. If I tell you that they say you get case. You know na. You yourself, you know. Consul say you not get case. Then when la media, if not be say you dey shameless and useless. You when you enter social media yesterday, you win a case in Muwene. Ule yo lere neve police station. Osi eni via donata we no woman ya no dia say. We where you come meet, we did the media. You know they see people don't they go vacation. They enjoy, they stroll everything. Free. Me, you feel see me wear slippers. I'll the jury not concern me, woman, sir. But can you do it? No. You feel move where? No. You feel eat where? No. Because why you come, where you for come meet people, you say people where you come, people where don't dig game, where don't study game, don't go school, graduate. You say they don't know what they do. Say now you, Mr. Know It All. One year. See your life now. Your hands not post that day. Now you tell me, say you me. If one hand touch me like this, I know say not true you. See, you go know. You know say. Since when me don't defend who won't beat me or who go do me this or who go do, I don't see. You know how much that they pay put. You know how much. You know law will go owe you. You know how many damages you won't pay. Because you are foolish, you need traits like you. Come outside. Even me, I know if you see person, may I go touch that person face like this. I say it's not a problem, and now they want. But I feel you leave you, may you beat me well. I feel even like that for now. You beat me well, video me, no problem. I go make sure say excuse 40 years come out for your age. I go excuse 40 years come out for your age. You go donate 40 years for inside your age, give me. Okay, the way you start life. I go collect that 40 years from your age. This media is all about only your platform make noise, make mouth. Your mate, they go party. Go see yesterday. I bet the first day. Queen Rita, Lady Precious Meg, invest on the day party. Can you try it? Since when you tell on media, when you tell media, you don't go party once. I am you when we go party. We don't see you for inside party once. That's to know the representative. Monica went inside, we see the day media, and so you see this. Monica go party, and Mama Gane ya thought I might vate. Party where she go thief Lady Precious Meg meet. Party don't have dream away Precious Meg. No, Mama B. Sorry, my Lady Precious Meg. Me away Mama B. Party don't have dream away your table. I might vate. I mamu zeneviku. Quirita chop for dear. Is this he give people honor ye me view adiowa. Now so they know they invite for party. That one alone already beat the difference. Who best you way they where they talk say who best you they talk say the dress where Quirita wear, the dress na chibachiko, the dress na this, the dress na that. Who best you which time you don't come show us where you for they do shopping for your clothes. No be she. Even some all those Versace, Nine, all those light gown where you they wear, all those Chanel. All those 550 gone for AliExpress where you dey wear. You want me to start to the post clothes because now you they start huh? Messi Mesa, Messi Bello. Now you they start huh? Nobody got time with waiting you wear. If it's you now, you wear. You like now, you wear. But you will not be like that. You go video, look all of now. Who free? Nobody. For now to start to at least learn how to enjoy yourself when you are still young. Now the day social media, before you know, now December now, I be like saying 4, I be 5 months time. Now be December. 1 year, don't still join our age. So because you are a presenter now, you know if you enjoy yourself. Because of what people go talk. Because they go snap me. Because they go video me. Since we entered this summer, I started to carry my hair. I not do my hair. Even though you see me outside, sometimes I don't even wear wig. Sometimes I don't even wear wig. If you like some girl, now you know because I dey feel it. I dey sweat. My blood they walk. Where? That's why you see me. I dey always sweat. All this my head is sweaty. All la dianveya. You see? So I not fit do it because if I do it, I go dey eat. I go dey pour water put. Does that mean I not see money to do it? No. But local people, dirty people, they will get that impression. Say, my me go ya with all. My tea with tagbo. Like now the Chris. I mean, if now they follow, now they do all those mentality eye service. Man, I'll come because of say okay. May people see me say, oh, I'm looking good. I can go force hair now. I can go force hair put for my head. Where I know say, you know, last 2 days I dey pause also water put. You go party, you not get friends. They not invite you for marriage or birthday, or even birthday. They not invite you where you don't be like isolated island for there. You be like where they are so what are they from pack be yet to na day. Party, I never see you say you dress once. You and your husband now they go for party. You will never come up for an house one they go lodge hotel. May AC for hotel still blow you. Agbonwejena. Not look us, follow your mates. People who don't date Euro for years. They follow them. Not look me Queen, how many times you don't go hotel? Me at least I still young. Even the money when I take go hotel for future, now they gather so. Now they also put so now they find so. You where you don't do my own stage now, you don't also and pass. You now you supposed to enjoy now. You follow your mates. They go hotel, they go lodge. You hear me? Stop being inside house. Like person where they swear for. Like Osun village. You be like Osun village. Go out. Maybe people see you. Even if the hotel, even if now not a grand bed, they go. Go. Traveling is part of education. Go. Before you carry your long mat, come out the one with the big mouth. Shameless. You know what you do. You do now your mat. There are some things you're not even supposed to pay attention to. Now, create a life now be your business. Now be your daily job. No wonder you know if you work. Hey, now you can't come and say they say to boy. Me, I see the sell. And you know, say jewelry is not can't tell me that tomorrow I see the seller. Many people think I know they do jewelry. I mean, I remove them from social media. Yeah, 5 cartons I bring that day. I imported 5 cartons of solid. You think that now even 1 carton is you know how much. Not be to I don't follow anybody do kaka. I know they brag. Now nobody fit tell me say oh now they give me school. Now they give me this or no. My hard-earned money. I suffer for it. I sweat for it. I zozo for it. So me they also those ones done so that in future when I don't do best your age, I'll feel they go hotel, they go lodge, do shopping, flex my children, go vacation. Who best you follow your mates? Everybody will plan a life. Not be now you go say you won't plan life. Agboma mawa why give an agboma beg with there. You hear this me. So let's go to the one. Before I forget, my people. Una know say they pursue Yore for village where for go share food. A lot of updates just full grant. May I quick give una this Yore. Ijore gather some members of a certain Ekiani Magwalohian group. She can say make them go one village. Make them go share food. Iyangi seva ana kpema huya. Ana same deren yo. Ana jasan dan huliya kwa. Ige a member of a salt and water nene. Yes, the video full everywhere. Yes, so Mama God. Una say as God they punish that iye-eki they go. As we speak now, a case dey my table. My faith one of Scandinavia, our sister. That one don't they beat iye-eki now since 2 days. But because she don't have a big platform, nobody is seeing the video. Una know say faith one of Scandinavia have supported iye-eki very well. She was once a member of Salt and Water Ministry. Iye-eki voice note, everything there with faith one of Scandinavia. As we speak, that one don't they beat iye-eki woto for the past 2 days. I'm coming to that case. I need to bring that all those videos come to life because una know she has small platform. Atiti just the woman. Atiti agbewa. I see video where Atiti take the blaster. Atiti agbewa. Atiti say when he go iye-eki store. Owi iye-eki na mwe kia yonbo. Owi iye-eki na mwe kia yonbo. No, nye na mwe kia Yorubo. Owe mi ya ni iye-eki winye. Owe no nye like se owe when iye-eki yak bekiye. Owe nye like se owe iye-eki kabok bekiye. A lot is going on in that direction, my people. Which I will also put my little attention, my 10 cents on those issues, especially the one we get to do with that lady. She's Natet Junction, boy scattered there. Really, Natet Junction, boy scattered there. So iye-eki be no fear. And Zendani no we body ne. She be one go use her test Edo people for the second time. Una know say during the time of coronavirus, she fight do this thing. When she know say she be Orionba, she'll go money, salt and water people they'll come follow and donate money, say make it come go they share food. And if she don't give them, do you know that she they mock people with those food? She's mocking those people with those food. When bono le leva any here. Mona tell no say this iye-eki no me well for Edo people. Why ever make no yon banner leva any do? Iye-eki go cook food. She knows say she be yon bow. Money where iye-eki take they cook so. What it be faith page name? I will check. I will pin it later. I will bring her video come. Maybe she will even talk through my platform safe. I will call her, I have her contact, I will call her. Una they get me. Iye-eki no say she be Orionba. But iye-eki go say one go. Many video when I cut her. Many video when I cut about iye-eki. After she don't give those people food finish, she'll start to mock them. Iye when you say Orionba, eva Orionba but iwariyo, eva Orionba but iwariyo. The one on Orionba we mabuwa, eva Orionba but iwariyo. Iye-eki edenwa degbe mo ra we you that la hotel doni wa ya ga ba iye-eki. Gbo ra gbo. Aye para gbo. Money when you take the cook, when you take the do buy rice, buy this. Where meti ni goni nu ya ri edo nu ya yin egwe. U meti si goni ya ke kugbe, kuwe ke fancy we ne ki o wodo gbari anari ave ko ni gwa lodo ke ki bia ne ku ne ki o ko gbe. Nu vinya bagbe, nu wa ri edo nu wa ya yin ya. O ma onu je do nu ya yin ya. O hanye gugwe ya fie, eri no i consign we. Kuwe ke ebulu ku ewu yesi gelu muhia. Wona ye pa gwowo nu viare wuni wo bora bu moni ave ya yu egbere emi no concern yes gene e kanwe. You know why people know they make you that yes gene where you they measure so we make keni ama you a ring road e mota no ka but no see where e dey for ring road. That bill we say why you not send your salt and water nini igwani yo ho an wari eba make una go that place where they put a motor no car work your baso Me una go there, go they do say, or ya akbole why say badi, egu wadi, we sort of water one money ministry, or have your job, why akbole, no wa, na even me wa be premises ni. Ama belu wa hu ya mosun, a belu wa hu yosun. A belu wa hu yosun. Okay, my lady, mama chess. A picture ni we wadi, any thanks for joining, Mama Kiro Edo, thanks for joining, my lady. A picture ni we wadi, any wa mu here. We wa dado ni here. Njano babe. O honekyo wodogbe. During this saga between she and this lady, waiting that they call her, oh, waiting that they call this lady, oh, Mama, wait, I'm coming, guys. Guys, I'm coming, okay? May I quick take this call? Hello? I'll call you back. May I call you back? May I quick round up this video? Una, they get me. During the saga between she and this lady, where a baby girl, I don't cut many parts of Iyore. I cut a lot of things when I need to work on. Even I need to even take later. We need to work on those videos because why? We need to expose Iyore to the world. May the whole world know Iyore be. Do you know that Iyore was a human trafficker? Yes, baby girl said it. Or we Iyore we have guess it. She was doing her own based on she get me doma. E mi dome ni en deport ni jeka ni wulo. You know those kind madam na we be say they don't want get in contact with you. But now they bring you. They will put people where go they operate you. That was Iyore was a human trafficker. Iyore also use a baby girl fe talk and say Iyore na ivie Ghana Gambia or wa mu ivie Gambia or wa jeki anya Iyore or gbe Iyore vibe. Thanks for joining international. Thanks for joining. What I don't understand is all of a sudden Queen Rita has for okay. Queen Rita the pity Iyore. You know, say when you see somebody where we are what beg case una woman ya when it bear you call the pity that person as well. E Queen Rita already beg at me Iyore newe ya when ye gbe banojena a depression ya minu. E get where I want expose for now. E get what I want remember now for this Iyore matter what it also. So Madam Baby girl talk and say Iyore oga muni traffic cano which Iyore not deny. Iyore not deny. But did they arrest Iyore because of that traffic? No. Aga guys, they never catch her. Waiting they arrest her for which she go spend 1 good year for prison was somebody wake by. God bless you, Queen. I don't understand why Queen Rita is just letting Iyore continue to you understand me, my people? Una no say me no they forget. All ye matimeje me. Una they get me. Iyore go 1 year prison because of somebody wake by. But because that person no get family member to follow up the case. None of Iyore's friends testify against Iyore. So it was hard for the government to investigate Iyore for that buying. Where that person buy. After they detain her, before they even detain you for 1 year, it means say your case strong. But they don't get concrete evidence. Iyore say if they arrest you for France wrongly, say that they pay big money. Iyore, if your arrest was wrongly, why they not pay you big money after they release you? They not pay you money, meaning your investigation is still going on. Your case file never closed. They feel let you go, yes, you see the other investigation. Until they go get the concrete evidence where proof otherwise say you get hand for that case of that person wake by. That case not closed. That is why they not pay you. And you stay 1 good year. before they leave you. You are still under investigation. And the reason they leave you for that 1 year because of that Ejiwan Ebo where you they take care of. Yes, because Ebo not get anybody. And only you they take care of her. That was why they leave you. Yes. So you are still under investigation for 2 cases. Trafficking and Omanobu. Case in Yeru or Yeru Enye. If baby girl can prove with a solid evidence of this issue, she go send you go jail. Or what kind the worst? Because it bomb my way and those trafficking where you people where you bring. She need to look for those people contact and call them and record them. Make them talk everything how you treat them. Only that one she need, make she give police. Police go do the rest because the case you don't already get them for granted, but they never hold you. You understand? So that one and for that one. And after baby get confirm and say Eke Kokobiri Ghana different Zimbabwe all of the old tribe or where is your I can't see video when the video where Jorete reply baby girl the first video where Jore do where it is saga baby girl where it is wana mwe ekpoli eke yo ashawo road ona amwe mi ekpoli eke wo. I was able to get one part where Jore talk say nyema leli viedo ivie kon yega leli ivie kokobiri yega leli ivie Ghana yega leli nyema via leli viedo saba say nyema leli viedo. I saw that video. Now I call remember I say okay Jore no bon. So a kokobiri people or shift won't be Jore. Or be won't be Jore go. Or say ni Jore mana be. And this one at the same Jore we come to social media, come the press. Puhu o. Waregi lele kokobiri o. Wae umare kokobiri puhu. Wae ufrende kokobiri puhu. Kokobiri they do this one puhu. Not knowing she was talking out of experience. She not make us know say she was talking out of experience. Then the kokobiri ya frustrated. No see no mana bieti tomorrow. Wu bore ige kokobiri in slice. She no can tell us. But when she do that video, people thought she was mocking Queen Rita. No. Iyore was talking out of her experience because the difference is clear. Queen Rita married foreigner, she born for the man. Evidence are there. Children full grant. Evidence are all there. But Iyore follow foreigners. Iyore mami abebo yak bebo. E wun biyan mufwa. E wun bukba. E ine wun. Iyore ine wun. Even baby girl still confirm and say, on e wun borena do a defwa. They not out to escort her. When I shall go like say, a friend of hers escorted Iyore to hospital. Kinona amwe wumbufu. Omazio wi habie. Omazio wi enidomo. Ona afie wumbufu wabameki. When they kie Ghana people read in the Iyore say. And that time they say she was dating Ghana man. I will be a Ghana guy friend. No te marry. No bo wana. Una no say Iyore build that for Ghana man. A Ghana man have a Iyore shentro. Iyore na bo wa mune Ghana man. Ori ye gbe doave eziki ni ya fe ni. On do la social media. People fake. Shall not they feel they construct this kind of fake life. They me set ya construct a baby fake life in him. He forget the way for they talk with my people. He go away. I know sabi do amo. I know sabi do am. Yes, so my lady, Mama Kiro, I see your message. Yes. Now, Mama, see what Iyore do, baby girl. Iyore, he go, get what with the collar for Italy. He go chook baby girl pin for police station. Iyore go chook baby girl pin for police station. Will lead to that woman prison where she go. You want to get me? Now Iyore go shook that woman pin. Because now only Iyore dey close to that woman. That was why they also carry her for interrogation. All the case where people they judge, because without no concrete evidence, they no fit do you anything. No matter anything, even if they line people full ground 7 girls or 40 girls say now you breed them with no concrete evidence, no level. They have to bring Iyore as a close friend because they know say Iyore know baby girl where. Wanna be careful of friends. Wa feko. No ma. Ogboma woko. Who no know you, no know the way you take deal. Iyore had to go station freely with no payment. Ona ya chuke baby girl pin way. On again na no mama na. O wa oje. Yon wi nana. Asha wo begbe. Ohin otone ma.